Hello children, in this video we are going to study Mathematics chapter 8 Cards and Wheels on page number 84. Now here the topic is making a circle. Now children, three children Naina, Chippu and Ariba want to play a game. They want to make a big circle on the ground, but they cannot make it by pressing. So Ariba tries to draw a circle with a stick. Now children, they are all making a circle with the stick. So simply they were drawing a rough circle. Now children, here Chippu and Naina is saying that it does not look like a circle at all. As children, they are trying to draw a rough circle. The circle drawn by Ariba is not looking like a circle at all, says Chippu and Naina. Then Ariba says, okay, why don't both of you try? Chippu and Naina both make the circles on the ground. Now children, they are asking you, can you draw a circle on the floor with the chalk? Try. So children, shall we all make a circle? Yes, see here I have made a circle. You can make a circle on the floor with the help of chalk. And here you will write, yes, we can make a circle on the floor with the help of chalk. Now children, they are telling you also draw a circle in your notebook using a pencil. Now children, in your notebook, if you use a pencil, you can draw a circle in this way. Now children, look at the circles drawn by your friends. Who has drawn the best circle? Now children, you can discuss among your friends who has drawn the best circle by looking at their circles. Children, the next topic is making a circle with a rope. Ariba decided to use nails and thread to make a circle on the ground. She took a thin rope and tied a nail on both ends of the rope. Then she made a circle with the help of her friend. Look at the picture and see how they are making a circle. Now children, see here in this picture you are seeing that Ariba is drawing a picture with the help of her friend and with the help of nail and thread. Now children, they are asking you, can you also make a circle with the rope and nails like Ariba? Yes, we can also make a circle with the rope and nails like Ariba. So children, shall we all make? Kids, you have to bring a rope and a nail. See children, this I have bought. This is a rope and this is a nail. Now children, I will show you how to make a circle with rope and nail, and you can also try it. So children, let's make a circle with the help of this nail and rope. Now children, you have to keep this nail at a fixed position here in the center, and you have to rotate this chalk here. In this way, see children, you can have a circle with the help of nail and a rope. Now children, the nail, the point at which you fixed the nail is known as center. This is the center. And then this is what children? This is the line drawn from center to the circle is radius. This is what children? Radius. Okay. Now children, we have seen how to make a circle with the help of rope and nail. Now children, here there is the next activity that we are going to do. Do the activity in small groups. Each group should take a rope of different length. See the circles made by different groups. Now children, here I have taken the rope of 3 different length. This is the rope of 5 centimeter, 15 centimeter. This is the rope of 10 centimeter, and this is the rope of 5 centimeter. Now children, group A is going to make a circle out of 15 centimeter length rope. Group B is going to make a circle out of 10 centimeter length rope, and C group is going to make a circle out of 5 centimeter length of rope. Now see children, here we have made this circle out of 5 centimeter, circle out of 10 centimeter length of rope, and circle made out of 5 centimeter length of rope. Now children, you have to tell me which group made the smallest circle. Here the group names are A, B, C. Smallest circle is made by group C. Now children, how long was their rope? Smallest circle rope was of 5 centimeter. Now children, does a longer rope make a bigger circle? Longer rope make a bigger circle? Yes. So children, you have to write here the answer. Which group made the smallest circle? C. How long was their rope? 5 centimeter. Does a longer rope make a bigger circle? Yes. Now children, they are asking you, can you say why? Now children, here, because here the length of wire, that is its circumference, is bigger, the circle is bigger. Understood children? Here in this case, as the circumference of the is bigger, the circle is bigger, or the length of wire is bigger, the circle is bigger. Now children, the length of rope used is equal to the length of radius of the circle. Now children, what they are telling, the length of rope used is equal to the length of radius. So children, this is true. Here we have used this nail and this wire to make a circle children, and we kept here this in center and this to draw a circle. So this length is nothing but a radius of the circle. Now children, they are asking you what was the radius of the smallest circle. Now children, how to measure the radius of a circle? See, from the center point to the point on circle is known as radius. Now children, if you draw it here like this, you will find it is 1.5 centimeter. So children, what is the radius of the smallest circle? 1.5 centimeter. I am calculating the radius of this circle. Okay children, we will stop here. In the next video, we will see about radius. Till then, bye children.